In today's society, the term mental diet is misinterpreted as a requirement to continually replace or flip positive beliefs. Most people live in the anxious belief that it takes too much effort to force the mind to think in a certain way. A massive pushback for most people is that many assume mental diets take too much of their time away, and some will get disappointed from even trying. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to explain how to reprogram your mind for success using the techniques recommended by Neville Goddard. Following Neville Goddard's concepts in his book Feeling is the Secret. The best and easiest way to begin a mental diet is to simply be effortless. Don't waste too much energy combating the thoughts you receive. The more you fight or try to ignore them, the stronger they become. You can select which thoughts you want to accept and which you do not. And for me, up to this point, monk mode and a clean mental diet have kept me feeling good. My cravings for junk food, PMO, and other bad behaviors have disappeared, and you're probably wondering what mental diet is. Mental diet isn't something you do every once in a while. The only way to truly master reality is through it. Developing a mental diet is a skill that takes time. Unfortunately, most people in today's society are unfamiliar with the concept. However, the most beautiful simplicity behind mental diet is rerouting your thoughts to cultivate positive states of attraction even when you are operating automatically. In other words, when your subconscious controls your reality, you will also become more conscious of its contents. With the use of affirmations and the power of your ideas and imagination, you can shake yourself into the person you see by engaging in mental diets that are based on the stories you tell yourself and play in your head. As I already stated, you will create a fruitful foundation for your manifestations, and this is always beneficial. It is vital to note that we are the creators of our world. Our ideas become our words, and our words become our actions. To find our reality, we are always manifesting. Even when we sleep, our subconscious mind works. It is as natural and easy as breathing. It just happens automatically. That is why it is crucial to input only good thoughts and affirmations into our subconscious mind. Are you familiar with the laws of assumption and attraction? If this is the case, you have understood you have the ability to intentionally manifest reality. Whole within yourself will ultimately manifest in the physical world around you. In order to create the reality you desire, it's essential to maintain a positive and constructive mental diet. This involves cultivating fertile mental soil in your subconscious mind that reflects the type of reality you want to manifest. Your mental diet is critical to shaping your reality because it determines what you attract and create in your life. Just like in farming, what you sow is what you reap. Therefore, it's important to exercise self-discipline and maintain a strong sense of self-worth to avoid succumbing to temporary desires and urges that can deplete your energy. If you fail to maintain a positive mental diet and give in to lust, you risk wasting your vital energy, and this will weaken you in the long run. This will ultimately render any efforts you make to achieve success and power futile, as your energy and potential will continue to be depleted. I strongly advise you to stop wasting your creative energy. Instead, try practicing sexual transmutation in monk mode for 90 days while also maintaining a healthy mental diet. The benefits that this practice can bring to your life are numerous, and you will experience a significant shift in your reality. Remember that your reality is always subject to change and adjustment. If you have created something that you now regret or don't desire, don't worry, you have the power to reverse it. It's important to start your self-improvement journey by acknowledging where you are starting from. Avoid jumping into an extreme self-concept, such as saying, "I hate myself." Instead, start by taking small steps each day to raise your self-concept. By repeating affirmations to yourself daily, especially in front of a mirror, you can reprogram your subconscious mind. Examples of affirmations you can use include, "I am a decent and worthy person." "I choose to forgive myself." "I choose to heal myself." "I am getting better." "I love and appreciate myself more each passing day." "I am powerful." "I am worthy, and I deserve greater things in life." It's important to remember that as a creation of God, you hold a spark of the divine within yourself. Therefore, you should not suppress your emotions regardless of what they may be. Instead, find healthy ways to express and release them. Keeping negative feelings bottled up inside is not healthy and can cause blockages in your energy flow. During meditation, you can learn to let go of emotions such as shame and guilt, which can cause blockages and hinder the flow of energy throughout your body. It's essential to be aware of yourself and your actions throughout the day. Take time to be still and mindful, and avoid getting lost or distracted by your thoughts or external situations. Creating a habit of asking yourself how you feel and observing your thoughts can be beneficial. Remember that you have the power to choose which thoughts you receive and entertain. This choice is entirely yours. With consistent practice, you can learn to become more mindful and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and actions, allowing you to live a more fulfilling and balanced life. Did you know that you have the power to determine how you want to feel the next day before you even fall asleep? It's true. By using the law of attraction, you can decide in advance how you want to feel when you wake up the next day. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states that the universe always works to give you what you want. This means that if you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you will attract more positivity into your life. Conversely, if you dwell on negative thoughts, you will attract more negativity. It's crucial to be mindful of what you think about, as your thoughts can have a significant impact on your life. Therefore, every night before you fall asleep, take some time to focus on good thoughts. Imagine yourself in your desired scenario, and use all your senses to feel what it would be like to be there. Visualize your dream life and let yourself feel the joy, happiness, and contentment that comes with it. As you do this, know that the universe is always working to bring you closer to your desires. By practicing this exercise consistently, you can train your mind to focus on positive thoughts and emotions, allowing you to attract more positivity and abundance into your life. Playing the game of life requires certain strategies that can help you win. Falling asleep while feeling angry or frustrated with yourself is a sure way to wake up feeling the same way. Instead, focus on practicing self-love and work on yourself in all aspects of your life. This includes eating well, dressing well, exercising, reading, and meditating. Doing things that make you happy will give you the euphoria and energy that you need to succeed. One effective way to reclaim your power and put yourself back on the throne is by adopting a mental diet and practicing monk mode. If you struggle with intrusive thoughts, listening to subliminal videos can help. Additionally, talking to yourself in the mirror for 20 to 30 minutes about how you feel and your desires can do wonders for your spiritual well-being. The Euphoria technique is a powerful tool that can help you in all areas of your life. To practice this technique, repeat the phrase, "I am sleepy," in a slow and meditative manner, or count down from 20 to 1, getting slower and slower with each count. Once you reach a certain stage, your subconscious mind becomes open and receptive to your desires. Take this opportunity to dream about what you want and imagine yourself in your desired scenario using all 5 senses. Repeat this process every night until there are no desires left, clearing your mind of all baggage and adding feelings to your imaginations. Remember, feeling is the secret to manifesting your desires. By feeling as if you already have what you desire, you are more likely to attract it into your life. With discipline and effort, this process will become easier and you will regain faith in yourself and your capabilities. Eventually, you will wake up every morning feeling fresh and full of vigor. Your life will change so much that you will become happy and negative thoughts will be a thing of the past. Although this process takes time, the effort is well worth it. By using the law of attraction to reprogram your mind for success, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So take these tips and use them to your advantage to make your dreams a reality. Let's say you are a person who is trying to lose weight and get in shape. You have been struggling with your diet and exercise routine, and you feel frustrated with your lack of progress. You often find yourself feeling negative and unmotivated, which makes it hard to stick to your goals. To change your mindset and improve your chances of success, you decide to start a mental diet. Instead of focusing on the negative aspects of your situation, you start to cultivate positive thoughts and beliefs about yourself and your abilities. You begin each day with affirmations such as, "I am capable of reaching my weight loss goals," "I am committed to making healthy choices," and "I deserve to feel confident and healthy." You also visualize yourself at your ideal weight and imagine how great it will feel to achieve your goals. Throughout the day, you pay attention to your thoughts and feelings and make a conscious effort to replace any negative self-talk with positive affirmations. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I'll never be able to lose weight," you immediately reframe that thought by saying, "I am making progress every day towards my weight loss goals." As you continue to practice your mental diet, you start to notice a shift in your mood and motivation. You feel more positive and confident about your ability to reach your goals. You also find that you are making healthier choices naturally without feeling like you are forcing yourself to do so. Over time, you begin to see real progress in your weight loss journey. You feel proud of yourself for sticking to your goals and grateful for the power of positive thinking. Your mental diet has helped you to reprogram your mind for success, and you know that you have the tools to achieve any goal you set for yourself. Let me know what you think about law of attraction. in the comments below. If you like this content, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Thanks and see you again soon. Happy manifesting.